There he is. How are you? All
I'm doing well.
right. Everybody just wave at him. Say hello, Tammy Tayo. Yes, that's awesome.
Hello.
Tammy Tayo, good. Tammy Tayo, I know you got hold of me. When you became a member when?
So I became a member last year, February.
Last year, February. Okay. And since then, just very quickly, how many properties did you buy? And yeah, just go there. And then we're going to get into the hard money, the new opportunity. Go ahead.
So I've been able to buy 4 properties. Yeah, one for myself that will be closing January 2023.
Okay.
Then I closed on one last June. I will be closing on another one this next month. And I have another one closing December. But maybe I will ask for an extension on that because it's too close to the one closing next month.
4 properties. Now, like if you look at the regular people, like I'm watching outside my window, if I was to stop 100 people on the street and say, you know what, I became a member, 10 months ago. When did you become a member? What month?
February last year. Yes.
Okay, February last year. So let's say 18 months. In 18 months, before that, I had really nothing in investment point of view. And how long have you been in Canada, Tammy Tayo?
This is my 5th year in Canada.
5th year. So, immigrant to this country, and you ended up buying 4 properties. Do you have some ideas from like what kind of equity is built in those 4 properties approximately?
Yeah, so the one that I closed on has increased by 100,000. I bought it for 531 and it's around 630 now on the market. And the one I'm closing on has increased close to 200,000 in value.
Yes, awesome. So, what made you just jump, like do it? Because a lot of people, there are people who are making lots of money in PEC, but there are a lot of people who are not as well. What the difference is obviously action. What made you like jump? Why did you?
Your story inspired me when I came for my first peak event. I believe November when you came to Ottawa, November 2019.
Yeah.
So that was my first listening to you on how you do it and listening to other speakers kind of inspired me, and I was scared. Then when I came another time for another event that you have in February, that's when I just took the action that yes, I will take action and I will do it. And even I didn't even take action immediately, it took me some months. Then late last year, I now got my first one. Then from there, got the second, third, and fourth.
Very good. It's not easy, by the way, guys. It's as something that it takes a lot of guts to do, and I'm really proud of you, Tammy Tayo. So let's talk about the. You got hold of me the other day because I was very impressed. So you indicated you needed $35,000, and so go ahead. Tell me this opportunity where somebody has the money, they can joint venture with you. Obviously, I'm not. Part of this, and it's your deal, but I am impressed and happy to see you do well. So that's why I want others to be inspired and possibly do partnership with you. So go ahead.
So thank you so much. So the property that I said is closing next month is closing November 16th. I got it. It's a pre-construction property, detached home, and it's in a prime area in Ottawa here. So I got it for 705, and the sold comparable average is 900, 850. The 2 that was sold last, and one that is listed on the market is listed for 970. But I'm doing my pro forma, expecting it to sell for the last one that is sold for 900. So I'm looking at a gross profit on that one on 195,000. And of course, there is a lot of projected expenses based on closing costs, cost of mortgages from the private lender, and the HST that's going to be on it because it's a new building and stuff like that. And also my realtor that will be both buying and selling agents, they will be having their own commission too. So I'm looking at a net profit of over 60,000 by the time I do all my calculations. So the opportunity that I'm actually putting out that Sunil talk about, I'm looking at getting hard lender to lend me 30,000 at the rate of 20% per annum.
Slow down. How much are you looking for?
35,000 Canadian dollar. Yes.
And you're going to be flipping the property, correct?
Yes, I'm closing on it. I'm selling it, putting to the market, flipping it immediately to sell.
Okay. And what does the person get for what kind of returns?
So I'm looking at 20% annual return rate on the 35,000.
Okay, awesome. What you can do is this, Temitayo. There's Gloria. She says, I have 35,000, please call me. And their number is there. So I want you to obviously connect with her. There's the number for you. And Temitayo, once you do that, by the way, everybody, obviously, when you're dealing with Temitayo, when you're looking at this, obviously every real estate has risks. So please, when you're talking to Temitayo, look at what he has. He's a member, you're a member, but make sure you do your due diligence, and it's something that I am bringing to you guys as a part of the PIC family as a benefit for you. Because first, I am very impressed with Temitayo that he actually ended up buying 4 properties, probably worth like, I don't know how many hundreds of thousands of dollars profits he's looking at. Temitayo, how fast do you want to flip this property?
Yeah, I'm looking at it should be on the market within 1 to 3 months. It should be gone on the market. Because the market has slowed down a little bit, it would have been within a month before, but I'm giving it a projection of 3 months. But okay. I'm looking at getting the money for 6 months, just to be on the safe side. Yeah.
Got it. Okay, so here's what I'm going to say to you, Temitayo. I already spoke to you. You already know the answer to this because during our mentoring session we talked about it. Let's say somebody gives you the money and it's 20% annual, obviously. Let's say if you buy the property and you flip it in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Are you saying they're going to get at least for how many months for 20%?
Based on the advice and the way it works, it's going to be for 6 months. Yes, even if I sell it a week after. Yeah.
So 6 months minimum.
Yeah.
Okay, I typed it in there. All right, so that's good. We have Gloria, we have Ken, who's going to be on very shortly. I'm going to talk to him. He put his email and phone number for you as well. And so, Temitayo, you can just cut and paste, put it into or write it, whatever you want to do. And last but not least, Temitayo, put it into the chat box, your information. So if somebody wants to, they're inspired by you, they want to connect with you, this is what you do. So you can do that. Congratulations, everybody. Give them a wow in the chat box. Say, if you're inspired, put it in the chat box. It would be very nice for him to see that. Temitayo, good to see you. Look at that. They're saying awesome, awesome, wow, amazing, wow, wow. There you go. There you go. There you go. Where you go. Way to go. Way to go. Inspiring. Congrats. Great. All the best to you. God bless you, my friend.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. All right.